Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your prerequisites, level 12 or equivalent gear and the anti-sink kit equipped. Once done, bait type B and half a stack of glow lures go on your rod to attract deep predators. Move directly to the northern reef at dawn because calm, clear weather raises the spawn probability by about 25%. As you arrive, make sure to approach the marked kelp ridge slowly. Sudden movement spooks spawns. These steps start the encounter efficiently and set up the rest. You trigger the spawn by casting into deep current pockets and holding your line near the bottom for 3 to 4 seconds before reeling. This mimics prey behavior and draws attention. Then, once in place, use burst pulses of the glow lure every 10 seconds to maintain interest without overstimulating other mobs. When a large shadow or turbulence shows, switch immediately to slow reeling and fine tension control so you avoid line breaks. Keep calm and read the bite pattern to time your hook sets precisely. You secure the egg by using soft hook sets and gradual tension adjustments so the fragile shell isn't damaged during lift. Once the kraken egg surfaces, make sure to move to the shallow bay within 60 seconds for safe extraction and handler transfer. Shallow water stabilizes the egg. If the egg cracks or slips, stop immediately, retreat to a safe distance, rebait, and wait the 2-minute spawn reset before trying again. That troubleshooting tip prevents repeated failures and conserves your gear and bait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.